let's solve this logarithmic equation. And notice that I have an x, my variable is here, and it's trapped inside of this logarithm. Okay, so to get it out, I'm going to use the definition of the logarithm, and it's right here, logarithm to exponent. And if I use that, my variable will no longer be trapped inside the log. Now for this question specifically, they're going to ask to rewrite the given equation without logarithms, not to solve. So let's use this definition of a log, and you will have that. Drop down my equal sign, and the way that I like to remember this is my little base becomes a big base of 2. And then these two other things will flip sides. The 3 goes to the left and becomes an exponent, and the 2x plus 5 will go to the right-hand side. Okay, so if they want you to rewrite it without the logarithm, here we go. We have it. Now I'm going to work on solving for this variable. So I will need to get rid of the plus 5, and I'll need to get rid of the 2. But before I do that, I've got an easy one over here, 2 to the third power. Let me just go ahead and take care of that. 2 to the third power is 8. 2 times 2 times 2. So 8 equals 2x plus 5. And now we have a linear equation, which you've probably seen a lot. Try to get this grumpy old x all by herself. Here she is. Let's get rid of the plus 5. How do I get rid of a plus 5? I will subtract 5 on both sides of the equal sign. On the left, 8 minus 5 is 3 equals 2x, and 5 minus 5 had canceled out. One more step to get this grumpy old x by itself is to get rid of that 2, and since it's 2 times x, I'm going to divide both sides by 2. 2 over 2 reduces down to 1. And now drop my equals. I have 3 over 2 equals x. And now we have solved for x. X is 3 over 2.